Take a break with teachersub.com. Quality video lessons ready when you need them.
Hello, writing wizards, and welcome to Master Cursive with Colors, where each stroke is a sprinkle of fun. And I'm Miss Jackie, and very happy to make cursive magic with you today. Our mission is to keep practicing the lowercase letters of Y, U, and W. In the last lesson, you learned how to make them with big rainbow movements, and today, that will change to medium size. Before we jump in, make sure you have all the supplies ready for the lesson. You will need stoplight colored markers and one big dark marker. You can use any dark marker you'd like. Finally, you need page 34 from your Master Cursive with Colors workbook. If you need to gather these supplies, pause the video and go get them. I will wait here until you get back. Okay, buckle up, Brainiacs, because here we go. Today's supplies of page 34, my stoplight colors, and a dark chunky marker. Today I'll be using purple. Let's begin with a we do. And let's take our green marker from our stoplight colors and let's write our name at the top of the line. My name's Miss Jackie. Please write your name. Then we're going to read the directions, and this is copy the sample and then write it a certain amount of times. Here I see that we're going to be able to write it 6 times on each line for the letters Y like yo-yo, U like umbrella, and W like wagon. With the green still in our hands, let's place a green dot where each letter begins. And as all lowercase letters begin, it's on the baseline. Then we can take our yellow marker and let's just spot 2 yellow dots and 3 for the W on the top to remind us that we will be slowing down but not stopping along the way. And then we can take our red and mark the place where each lowercase letter ends. Y ends off the baseline, U ends off the baseline, and W is one of those connecting walking bridges, and it will end up at the midline. Staying with a we do, let's get our chunky marker and begin together. So my marker is purple. Pick whatever dark marker works for you. Make sure you turn your paper whatever way is appropriate for your handwriting. I turn mine to the right because I am a righty. Together, let's put our marker on the start dot. And let's remember that Y is a ramp up letter, as well as U and W. We will put our marker on the green dot and we will not pick it up until we get to the red dot. So with me, let's place it on the green dot and let's ramp up, slow down, come back down along the baseline, slow down, come down below the baseline for a connecting tail. If you'd like, you can even make the left turn arrow if that helps you. Well done. Now let's go on to the next spot. It does not have a tracer, and together we are going to ramp up to the midline, then pull down and away, round on that baseline, go back up to the midline, go down, turn left, and come through with a connector. This is lowercase y. Let's do one more together. Ramp up to the midline, follow back, pull away, round on the baseline, back up to the midline, down, turn left for a connecting tail. We will do one more together. Are you ready? Ramp up, ramp down, round the way, back up, down below the baseline, turn left for a connecting tail. Now I would like you to finish the line, and I will work while you work. How did you do? Mine are all different sizes. It looks like I started big and I got quite smaller. I think I'm going to take one that isn't too big and isn't too small, one that looks just right. For me, that's there. Please mark your best Y. And now we're ready to move down and work together to remind ourselves of how letter U is formed. And here we go. Place our marker on the start dot. We will ramp up and pull down and away, round our line on the baseline, back up to the midline, pull away for a connector off of the baseline. Well done. Let's go to the first dot. Ready? We're going to ramp up, follow back, pull away and round on that baseline, back up to the midline, follow down and pull away for a connector. Nice job. And let's go again. Ready? Ramp up, ramp down, round on the baseline, up to the midline, follow down with a connecting tail. Nice job. Let's do one more together. Ready? Ramp up, ramp down, ramp up, ramp down with a connector. Nice job. Now I would like you to finish the rest of that row, and I will work while you work. Looking at all of my U's, I don't want them too wide and I don't want them too narrow. We want them just right. We don't want anybody taller than the midline, and no one or no letter should go below the baseline for letter U. Let's move on down to the letter W, like wagon. I'm going to turn my paper and let's put our marker on the start dot and let's ramp up, ramp down, round, ramp up, ramp down, just like the U, but we're going to go all the way up one more time and make a connecting bridge for the connector up high. Well done. I see the two U's, the double U's right there. Here we go. On the start dot and up and down, pull around on the baseline, back up, back down, and back up one more time for W with a connector across the midline. And notice that there are 3 high points there, and in letter U and in letter Y there are only 2. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here we go. Ramp up to the midline, down and round, up to the midline, down and round, up to the midline, and make a high connector. Well done. One more together. Up, down, up, and a high connector. Nice job. Now I would like you to finish the row of W's, and I will work while you work. How did you do? Well, when I look at all of my W's, I want to make sure that they're not higher than the midline, and I did that, but I'd like them all to reach the midline, and here I see I didn't really reach the midline with some of my lines. And so when I look at my best ones, I think this W for me is my best. Good job.
You are a handwriting hero. Today we practice proper letter formation with chunky marker strokes for some middle-sized magic. Keep practicing by copying more pages from today's lesson and working on your own until each letter feels just right. Remember, success belongs to those who dream big and keep going. You know what else? Feeling proud of yourself is the best kind of celebration. So keep writing, keep smiling, and we'll be back in a flash with more cursive joy. See you soon.